Welcome to Natural Solutions. We're going to talk about how we're able to understand and diagnose and see the deficiencies in the body and know what to give people so that the body can fix itself. But we're going to start off with the three elements of illness, the start of illness. Starvation is the first thing. By starving, we're eating a lot. We're eating all the food that we want to eat. But the problem is it's not nutritious enough. And so because of the lack of minerals and because of the dams and all that, we don't get enough nutrition in our food. And of course, we don't burn wood and all that anymore. So we don't get the mineral ash as well. So then we begin to suffocate. We suffocate by eating the bad foods: wheat, barley, rye, and oats, and anything made with wheat, barley, rye, and oats. Cooking oils, apple juice if it's not made with lemon juice in the manufacturer. Also, the peeling of a baked potato, if it's baked, you can eat it boiled, but you can't eat it baked. That's bad for the health and the digestion, has clogging up the work, suffocation. Also, soda pop and bubbles in water prevents absorption of nutrition that's not already in the food. And of course, nitrates and nitrites in food, that's as bad as smoking. So you want to avoid all nitrates and nitrites. You want to only use butter or lard to cook with as well. And so then if you do that, with the suffocation, then you end up with toxification, and thus we have the different illnesses that we deal with. Now, the first category is the hard tissue problems. Hard tissue problems deal with a lack of 90 essential nutrients, severe deficiencies of calcium and magnesium. These are just a partial list of the diseases that happen with those particular deficiencies: arthritis, back pain, Bell's palsy, bone spurs, bone fractures, brittle nails, calcium deposits, cartilage damage, cognitive impairment, depression, high or low blood pressure, insomnia, irritability, joint pain, kidney stones, ligament damage, muscle cramps, nervousness, osteofibrosis, osteoporosis, panic attacks, PMS, prolonged blood clotting time, receding gums, restless legs, tooth decay, and vertigo. Now remember, there's 900 different health challenges, and so that's just a partial list of the hard tissue problems, and this is how we know what the deficiency is. The second category is soft tissue problems. It deals with, of course, a lack of 90 essential nutrients with a severe deficiency of essential fatty acids and selenium. And if you have soft tissue problems, you're going to have these particular illnesses and more: acne, ALS, Alzheimer's, asthma, blood clots, brittle hair, cracked heels or nails, and a dementia, extended menopause, eczema, fibromyalgia, fried food cravings, gallstones, growth retardation, infertility, low libido, low sperm count, multiple sclerosis, muscular dystrophy, psoriasis, kidney dysfunction, and of course, sickle cell anemia. Now, the third category is the blood sugar problems. If you have blood sugar problems, you have a lack of the 90 essential nutrients with severe deficiencies of chromium and vanadium. And these illnesses fall into the blood sugar category: ADD and ADHD, adrenal failure, anxiety, bedwetting, bipolar disorder, cardiovascular disease, depression, type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Type 1 deals with if your mother didn't have enough of chromium and vanadium in the first 90 days of pregnancy. But type 2 diabetes is just a simple deficiency of chromium and vanadium with 23 other mineral cofactors. Elevated cholesterol and triglycerides, fainting spells, fatigue, hyperactivity, hypoglycemia, infertility, learning disabilities, migraine headaches, moodiness, narcolepsy, night sweats, peripheral neuropathy. And we have the fourth category, which deals mainly with gluten. Now, all of these deal with eating gluten to some point, but this particular category is specifically when people have these particular illnesses, we know they have a gluten issue in their body. And so the fourth category is digestive problems. You have a lack of 90 essential nutrients with severe deficiencies of enzymes and flora. And the enzymes help the body to get the digestion back on track, along with the flora, with the friendly bacterial flora. But when you have digestive problems, you're going to have allergies, you're going to have athletic foot, belching, bloating, gas, burping, celiac, Crohn's disease, dermatitis, diarrhea, diverticulitis, food sensitivities, heartburn, hiatal hernia, indigestion, irritable bowel syndrome, leaky gut, acid reflux, stomach or intestinal pain, and yeast infections. Now, this is just a partial list. Remember, there are 900 different health challenges. And of course, if I began to try to list all 900, it would take a long time. So we want to keep this short and sweet. But here's the thing. According to what you've heard, most of the things that you've heard are genetic. Well, they're not. And what we want to do is help your body to fix itself. If you give the body what it needs, the body can begin to repair itself from a natural standpoint. So if any of these particulars are the illnesses that are troubling you or those that you know, then please give us a call at area code 317-892-9311. That's 317-892-9311. You could visit us on our website at www.stopsickness.info. That's www.stopsickness.info. And please let us know that you heard about us on this particular program. Thank you.